everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Jeffree Star Jawbreaker unboxing. Woo woo! So you guys, let me make sure, okay? So my $100 order came in. So yeah, okay, so I'm just going to pre-warn you guys, I've already opened the packaging just to make sure nothing was broken because I didn't want to unbox it and then it would be broken and then you guys would see me turn diva on you guys. Y'all, okay. So, I went ahead and I ordered, let me just shut up and show you guys. So, this was, where's my receipt? Make sure I'm not lying to y'all because you know them trolls out there. So yes, everything all together was $111 that I spent because I didn't want to pay shipping, and plus I thought that buying both of the palettes was an extremely good deal because you pretty much got the mini Jawbreaker for like cheap, because the actual palette was $58 and then the mini palette by itself was $28, but if you bought the bundle pack, it was $75, so he pretty much only charged you like $17 for the mini palette if you bought the bundle that way, which I thought was a much better idea, but everybody's each their own. Some people didn't want to spend the money for the big Jawbreaker palette. Some people just wanted the... There's a bird out here and he keeps like, go away. Go away. Okay. So yeah. So the first thing that I pretty much always live for in these boxes, you guys, are his little cards that he sends out for each launch. Anytime he launches anything, he's always sending out a card. He's doing a photo shoot with these, and I just love these. You can collage with these, you can scrapbook with these, you can frame these, and this is probably going to be scrapped, well, not like thrown away, but there's just certain pictures I like to frame of him, and this one would not be the one, so this is probably going to go like in a scrapbook or something. Alright, and the two lipsticks that I only liked out of the whole entire collection, excuse me, is I'm a type of person that I only buy things I know I'm going to wear when it comes to makeup. I'm not going to just buy everything because it's Jeffree Star, even though I would like to, but I'm always thinking to myself, why spend the money if you're not going to use anything? So the two colors I got are Fully Nude and Yes Ma'am, and I will take these out of the packaging. Oh, and I love the color clash, the bright pink and the green. Super cute, super adorable. This is very hot pink, which I actually didn't really think I would pull off a pink, but you guys, I can actually pull off a pink. This is very hot pink, which I love. This is what Yes Ma'am looks like. Super gorgeous, and I really love the color clash. Alright, and then the next color I got is Fully Nude, and the packaging just looks something like this. Now this looks a little bit, no, looks the same color. Now this, if you guys know me, you guys know I love nudes. Like if you look at my Jeffree Star lipstick collection, most of the colors in here are nudes. I do have a little bit of crazy colors, but other than that, most of my collection is nude. It's like really nice pink corally color. So yeah, that was the lipsticks. Now let me go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow palettes because that is the last two things that I ordered from this collection. And I am wearing the mini Jawbreaker on my eyelids right now, if you guys are wondering. I did do the Kylie Jenner look, except for I didn't go with the yellow. I went more with the purple because I am showing off Jeffree Star's cosmetics. And I did use 3 colors out of the mini palette when I did this look, and I will show you guys. Alright, so here is the mini Jawbreaker palette. Super adorable. I really like how, I just love his cosmetics to the point to where he's so creative and different with his, he's not plain, he's not, I just love that, you guys. I really love that. I love the difference of him that he puts into his packaging. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it is white with Jawbreaker splashing colors on it, which is really super cute and adorable. And this palette only has 9 colors. And actually what sold me on this palette, you guys, is the purples in this palette, because I just thought they were to die for. So the colors I went in with my eyes today is Hot Fudge, Purple Punch, and Bite Me. And then the first color right here is Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, which is a really bright pink color, which I like, Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. And another thing, can we just get past the fact of all his crazy names for his eyeshadows? I love how his he's crazy, he's creative, and that's what I love about Jeffree Star, is he's different and he's not scared to be different. That's one thing that I really appreciate about him. Alright, so the last thing obviously is the Jawbreaker, and I'm getting lipstick all over my hands. Alright, so here is the Jawbreaker palette, you guys. Oh my god. So we do have the pretty white packaging with obviously the Jawbreaker splat colors. If you guys have not had a Jawbreaker, I would request it, but also at the same time, if you feel like breaking your damn teeth, go right ahead, because that is the life of a Jawbreaker. And then on the back here, it just obviously tells you everything about how the eyeshadows can stain your eyelids, the month or the expiration date, and all that jazz, his information. So let me shut up and let's get into this bad boy. Alright. So I love how he did his packaging an entirely different color, and then we are working with a gorgeous pink palette, you guys, with the Jawbreaker splat across it. And then here is what the back looks like. And are y'all ready? Are you all ready? Oh my god. Here it is. This is 24 shades, you guys. And actually, to be honest with you guys, what sold me with this palette is all of these pastel colors, because they scream like unicorn colors, mermaid colors. I'll let you guys look at the colors for a minute and then we'll go over the names. But yes, screamed. I just really loved, if you like cover up all these and you just look at that, gorgeous colors. I love that. So I think those are going to be the colors that I am going to be doing a makeup look with. Alright, so the first color we have is Virgin, which is just really pretty white. We have Good Morning. We have Bubblegum again. That was one thing that he did say, is there's a couple colors from the mini palette that are also in this palette, which is a-okay with me, because Bubblegum is a really pretty pink that I am liking. We have Wow, which is the yellow, which if I want to pull off a Kylie Jenner look again, girl, he got the hookup. We got Suck. We have Licorice. We have Cute. We have Fuck. We have Gumdrop. We have Snack. We have Brain Freeze. And then, of course, Jawbreaker, which is the name of the palette. We have And What? Orange juice, sour, soaked, raspberry, which is a really pretty color. And I think he did talk about this, but this kind of looks like a color that was in the Blood Sugar palette, but I don't think it was similar because I think he swatched those. And then we have Cotton Candy, and then we have Lemon Drop, Bite Me, Cherry Wet, which also looks like a color that would be in the Blood Sugar palette as well. Tasty, which is just a really nice brown color. Cone, and then we have Delicious. Alright, you guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch some of these colors that I really enjoy, just so you guys can see what we're working with here. So going into the Mini Breaker, I am going to swatch a couple colors. Probably the purples, because that's what really sold me about this palette. So I'm going to go in with Bite Me. Oh, look. Oh yes, girl. That's what I am wearing on my eye. This is Bite Me. Super gorgeous color. Pretty pigmented as well. I'm going to go in with Purple Punch, because that is also what I wore on my eyelids this morning. Oh, look, I love it. And this is without eyelid primer, you guys. And we are going to go in with Bubblegum, because I am obsessing with this color. Okay, see Bubblegum? Oh, that would be like such a pretty combo of your eyelids. And then I want to do Foreplay. I actually think, yes, this right here is what sold me for the mini palette. That's why when he said he was doing a combo deal and it was only $75, I'm like, sold, because I was going to end up buying both palettes, and I was like, damn, that's going to be a lot of money. But he ended up, and that's why, because this right here is what sold me, you guys. Look how gorgeous that is. And then I want to go in with Orange Crush, because this is a really pretty orange, and it has sparkles in it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the sparkle, but that is really pretty. That can almost be like a inner corner eye pop, because it's got the glitter and stuff. I am deceased. Alright, so that was everything that I wanted to swatch in the Mini Breaker. So now what I want to do is I want to go in with the actual Jawbreaker palette itself, and I only want to swatch this row right here because I want to save this for another video, because I do want to do a makeup look with this palette. So I'm just going to swatch the row that I really loved and what actually sold me. So I'm going in with Cute. A really nice turquoise. This is what Cute looks like. Pretty pigmented without any eye primer, so just always remember that. This is Fuck. These two colors right here, I'm already dying. Super cute. And then we're going in with Gumdrop. Oh yes, this is such gorgeous colors, you guys. Just these three combos right here just look really cute together. Alright, and then we have Snack, which would be a really pretty inner corner to pop this whole look. And yes, girl. Just look at that. Tell me that is not adorable. Just work with these three colors and then a splash of that. And then Brain Freeze. Right. Brain Freeze is over here. That is a gorgeous baby blue. Yes. And then this right here would probably be a really pretty brow bone color. You guys, this whole... where can I swatch it at? Oh, yes. Or you could also use this as an inner corner as well because it is very shimmery and shiny. Or you could also brighten your look up as an eyebrow bone. So yes, you guys, that was everything that was swatched of the colors that actually sold me of the Jawbreaker palette. Alright, you guys, so before I end this video, I did want to pop on here really quick and put Fully Nude. I'm sorry. I wanted to put on Fully Nude on my lips because you guys know that if I wear crazy colors on my eyes, I like to wear nude lips. So that way, people aren't taken away by the look. I would much rather them see my eyes instead of my lips. So we're going to shake this because it says shake well before use. So it is a corally nude, that's what it is. Oh my god, but it actually kind of goes. I'm not going to complain. So yes, you guys, this is my complete look of wearing the Jawbreaker collection as of right now. I decided to go in with the mini breaker today, and I used fully nude today. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me. A little bit of a review, a little bit of swatching. Let me know down below if you guys got anything from his launch, what you enjoyed, what colors you thought were interesting. Let me know. It's always nice to interact with you guys and get to know you guys a little bit better. And as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And soon. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification because YouTube is being a little... So yeah, you guys, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Stay true to yourself. You're beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. You're beautiful. You're rare. You're one in a kind. So, see you guys.